This is gonna blow your mind. Some animals can go months without a single sip. Ready to meet nature's true desert champions? Let's go. First up, the kangaroo rat. This little rodent gets all its water from seeds, never drinks. Next, camels. Everyone knows camels can go weeks without water, but did you know they don't store it in their humps? Number 3, the thorny devil lizard. It collects dew on its skin and drinks it straight into its mouth. 4, African lungfish. They survive dry seasons by hibernating in mud for years. 5, sand gazelles. Their bodies shrink their own organs to save water. 6, the Namib desert beetle. It drinks fog droplets off its back. And finally, the water-holding frog. It buries itself and stores water in its body for months. Nature is wild, right?